All right, listen up. If you are my people, if you're into chickens, homesteading, gardening, any of that, if you're new to it, if you're a pro, whatever level you're at, I want to follow you. I want to celebrate your successes. I want to lift you up when you struggle. That's what I think this community is for. And I love seeing everyone else's projects. I love seeing everyone else's animals, everyone else's homesteads. It's genuinely like I'm obsessed. So if this is your jam, let me know so I can follow you, because I love learning from others. I don't know everything. None of us do. We're all a success in progress. So please let me know. I would love to see how your adventure is going.